Hi everyone, this is Nitesh Kumar Pandey. So in today's videos, we are going to make a program for removing duplicate subsequences from array using stack in Java. Okay, so this is my kindly request to you all. You all practice with me so that your coding skill will be improved and you can learn this topic in a better way and in one go only. Okay. uh, you can open Visual Studio Code for writing your code with me, and you can open online Java compiler. Okay, so now I'm going to start it, and I'm going to make a file first. Then I will write code, and then I will verbally explain this code while writing. And after execution of the program, I will write a comment in code so that you can understand the meaning of each line of code. Okay, and the the comment is a part of a code which is not going to execute by compiler. It is only used for reading is reading easily or understand the code, what is the meaning of the line written in the code. Okay, so for the ease of the user understanding, we will use to write the comment in the code. Okay, so now I'm going to make a file first. So I need to create here remove duplicate 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 subsequences duplicate subsequences array using stack dot java. Now see, the file, the first letter of the file should be uh, small, so that's why I have written this r small, because it is the convention. Okay, and in the in the in the what in the function method name, and the first letter should be uh, capital. Okay, so we will write when we will write a method, we will uh, write the first letter in capital. Okay, so now I'm going to insert a uh, main method first. So I need to write here psvm, that is public static void main. Okay, to inserting main method in the Visual Studio Code, and I need to take user input, so that's why I need to import a scanner class from util packages of the Java. So I need to write here import java dot util dot scanner, and then here should be not C. Okay, and then I'm going to import a stack from util packages also. Okay, so I need to write here import java dot util dot stack. Okay, then I'm going to make a object for the scanner class and for the stack class. Okay, so I need to write here scanner sc is equals to new scanner system.in, and then I'm going to write the system.out.println. Here I'm writing a message so that user can understand what I need to enter. So I need to write here enter size of the stack, sorry, size of the array. Okay, and then I'm going to take int n is equals to sc dot next int. After that I'm going to declare an array of size n. So I need to write here int arr square bracket new int n. Okay, and then I'm going to write a message to uh, enter the n element for the array. So I need to write here south means system.out.println enter n enter n element the array. Okay, now I'm going to take all element using for loop int I is equals to 0, I less than n, and I plus plus, and arr of I is equals to sc dot next int. Okay, and then I'm going to write main method to remove duplicate subsequences from array using stack. So I am going to uh, make a method first. Okay, so I need to write here public static int. It will return an array and it is taking int arr. Okay, so the method name should be removed. Okay, see, this is remove is a method name which is actually going to remove duplicate subsequences from array using a stack. Okay, it will take an user array, user input array. Okay, and it will return it will return um, an array in which only different or distinct element will present. Okay, so for that I am going to write here int n is equals to arr dot length. Okay, so now to write here length, and I don't need to include here parenthesis. Okay, for for counting the element present in the array. Okay, now I am going to create a stack to to store distinct element only. Okay, so that I'm going to write here a stack integer. It will going to take integer st is equals to new stack and parenthesis, and then this one. Okay, then I'm going to write um, I'm going to traverse the each element of the array. So I need to write here int I is equals to 0, I less than n, and I plus plus. Then I am going to write here arr if a stack is empty, means there is no element is there in the stack, means it is the first element of the array. So we need to push it in the stack, that is the first element of the array. We need to push the first element of the array in the stack, and we will look for finding match or not. If I will found match, then I will pop from the stack, otherwise I will uh, look for uh, another distinct element. Okay, so I need to write here if st dot empty is there, then or if st dot, if it is not empty, means the element is there in the stack. So I need to look the top element of the stack, and and we need to compare it with st dot, and I need to compare with arr of I. If it is if it is different, if it is different, the top element and the array of I is different, means we have to do push in the stack. So I need to write here arr of I and semicolon. Else if what will the condition? If else if st st dot peak is equal to err of I. Okay, then we need to see if I is equals to n minus 1. It is the last element of array, or it is the error of I is not equal to error of I plus 1. I plus 1, then in that case I need to do pop. Okay, means it is the last element of the array, so in that case also we need to pop from the stack. If the if it is the uh, mid, or it is the last sequence, it is the element which is the last in sequence. My like we have given 3 3 3 3. Okay, so 3 3 3 is the after traversing 3 times, it will going to uh, look for it will going to look for distinct element, different element. Okay, so that's why I have written, if it is not equal till getting not till getting what distinct element, we need to pop that element from the stack. Okay, and after that I am going to write result array. Okay, so I need to write here uh, int result array. What will be the result array? And it the size of result array will be the size of the stack, means the element present, total element present in the stack, will be going to the size of the array in the result. Okay, so I need to write here int res, means result array. For array I am putting a square bracket and then new int st dot size. Okay, done. And then I'm going to write for loop for int j is equals to res dot length, and j is greater than equals to 0 and j minus minus, because a stack is work in LIFO principle, that is last in first out. That's why uh, we need to store element from res dot length minus 1, means uh, the last element is going to first in the array. Okay, what is how this problem is coming? St dot size, it is right. Res int movement st dot size, it is right, I think. Here should be also, I think. Okay, done. And then I'm going to write here int here are sorry res of j is equal to st dot pop. Okay, and then it is going to return res. Okay, done. Now I'm going to call this remove function in the main method. Okay, so I need to write here int res is equals to remove. I need to pass a parameter arr. Okay, and then I'm writing shout, that is system.out.println, and I need to write here after removing duplicate subsequences from array. Okay, and then after removing duplicate subsequence from array, now array is okay. So I need to write printing the element of the array. Okay, so I need to write for loop. So I'm writing it int I is equals to 0, I less than res dot length, and here should be -1, because I'm looking, I'm storing from 0. That's why it should be length -1. Okay, and res dot length, and then I plus plus, and then it should be wrong, should not there, and then I'm writing south res I plus 1 space, and ln should be removed from there. And after that I'm going to close this sc dot close in scanner class. Okay, it's done. Now I'm going to run this program. The message will come. It is saying enter size of array. I'm entering 10. Okay, enter 10 element for the array. I'm entering 1, 2, 2, 5, 8, 8, 8. How many element I have entered? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 8, 3. I have entered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So our it should be print like what? It should be print like, I'm writing here, it should be print like 1, and it will completely going to is completely going to remove. Then it will print 5, because 5 is only single in the array. Okay, and it is also going to remove. After that it will print 4. Okay, because 4 is distinct in the array, and after that 9 will going to print, and after that 3, because these all are distinct, there is no duplicate present in the array. Okay, now I'm going to enter this. See, 15493 is our answer, and it is printing perfectly. So for sure our code is perfectly working, it is right. Okay, it is, it has no any mistake. Okay, our code is perfect for this uh, problem. Okay, now I'm going to enter another input for the execution of this program. I'm entering 15. Should not there, it should be there. 15 I'm entering 15 element like 7, 8, 8, 5, 7, 8. See, 7 is going to remove, because it found the duplicate in duplicate. Okay, so it will going to remove. Okay, so I have entered 5 element. Now I need to enter 4, 5, 3, 2, 1, 9, 8. I am entering randomly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and then 15. Okay, so see, after removing duplicate subsequences from array, now array is this one, because I have not entered uh, subsequence. What is the meaning of subsequence is one after one. Okay, one after another. Okay, means it should be like it should be like 7, 4 4 4. Okay, it should be not like 4 5 4. Okay, means it is not going to uh, that for that our program is not going to work. Okay, it will work only work. Sorry guys, it will only work for 4 4 4, means the next element is going to different. Okay, it should be different. For that only it will work, because I am writing the code for remove duplicate subsequences. Okay, it is should be in sequence. Okay, uh, and for that for a code like this. Okay, and for this I will write a code in the next video. Okay, so our code is working perfectly, so I'm going to write a comment so that you can understand the meaning of each line. Okay, and wait, I will provide uh, the whole program for that part also. Okay, and that is duplicate is there but not in this sequence. Okay, in array using a stack in Java. Okay, I will write program and I will make a video on that also. Okay, so you already know what is the meaning, why we insert a scanner in the code, because we have to take user input, take user input. Okay, and why I have importing a stack class for for storing distinct distinct element element of the array. Okay, and this is the file name file name where our code is going to store store. Okay, and this is the method method to remove duplicate 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 subsequence array using stack. Okay, this is the length of user input array. Okay, this is the creation of stack to store distinct distinct element element of the array, and we are using for loop for traversing each element for the array, and we are checking if a stack is empty, mean mean meaning that mean uh, this is the initial initial element element of the array of the array. Okay, or we if not if not of array. Okay, I am going to cut it from here and I will. What is not working perfectly good. Okay, okay. Going to cut it from here. See, it will work now. Okay, and I am going to write here only. Okay, Control B. It is processing. Don't worry. Okay, checking if a stack is empty mean this is the initial element of array. If not, if a stack, if there is element in the array, so we need to look top element and current element of the array. Okay, it is equal, if that is equal, if it is if it is equal, then we need to, sorry, if it is if it is if it is not equal or or distinct, not equal or distinct means we have to, so then we need to hit in the stack. Okay, if it is equal, if top element top element of the stack and and current element of the array is equal, so we need to check, so we need to check whether it's whether last element of the element of the array, or it is the last element of the sequence. If it is yes, if yes, then pop from the pop from the stack. Okay, and after that we are just storing storing the element from a stack in the, what here I am doing, creating the another result array to print print uh, distinct distinct element of the distinct element of the array. Okay, of the given array, given array from user. Okay, creating the another result array to print distinct element of given array. Okay, and we are printing, are printing we are copying element and storing the result array from the last of the stack. Okay, the last of the stack element is going to become first first element of the ARR. Sorry, RES, that is result array. Result result array. Okay, and it is it is popping element from stack and and storing in the res in the res. Okay, and here it is returning returning result array. Okay, and then this is the main method. You already know about this main method. Main method under which everything everything is going to pass. Okay, this is the object creation of a scanner class for taking user input. Okay, and this is the message for user, and this is the size taking from user, for the array, for the array. Okay, and here it is creating creation of array of size n. Okay, and what is this message message for entering message for entering element for the array. Okay, array, and here it is for loop for taking all element in array. Okay, and this is the calling of main calling of remove function in the main method. Okay, and this is the message. Is the message no array distinct 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 element of the array. A message for user to know distinct element of the array. Okay, and this is printing all element of the result array. Okay, and sc dot close means we are uh, free the scanner class. Okay, from memory. Okay, and this is the complete things. Okay, for understanding the meaning of each line of this program only. Okay, and just be with me. I will provide you everything's here only about DSA, Java, that whether it's basic problem or whether it's advanced problem, whether it's asked in interview examination or interview placement round. Okay, and whether it's asked in college examination, university examination. I will make a tutorial for each things. I will make a tutorial for each topic, whether it is basic or whether it's advanced. Okay, so this is my kindly request to you all. You just be with me. Okay, and if you have found any thing that should not be there, okay, anything wrong, then just comment it. I will take care of it, and you can suggest me on which topic you want to see the next tutorial. Okay, so you can suggest me that topic also. I will definitely make that video on that topic. Okay, so for today's videos now it is enough uh, for explanation and all these things. Comment and okay, if you give want to give me any suggestion, then just give it to me. I will take care of it. I will read that message. Okay, and I if it is improving for improvement, then I will definitely improve myself for your better understanding. Okay, and thank you. Bye. Have a nice day, and you practice with me, guys, so that you can learn everything in one go only. Okay, bye. Stop.